No one expects much. Not from me. They think a Class C hero won't be much help. I know that better than anyone. I'm too weak for Class B. I'm not good enough. I know that much. I'm aware that I have no chance of beating you. No one needs to tell me anything like that! And yet, I must try. It's not about winning or losing. It's about me taking you on right here and right now!
The things this guy is saying.
Which is why we're all here. So I can create a player who has what it takes.
They can't be right.
Someone who will climb the top 299 courses. A solitary hero.
I can't do it. I'm no one. I've achieved nothing.
I am a striker!
If there are winners, there must also be losers. Making my dream come true means ending someone else's. No getting around it. That's not right. In order to change, I have to be something I'm not. I came here to turn things around, to become the best in the world. Unless I beat someone stronger than me, that won't happen!
Captain Yami is still fighting. He pushed past his limits, and here I am. Stand up. Come on, stupid body, move! Even if it means becoming a devil, I have to push past my limits.
I'm gonna need backup over here. Asta?
Captain Yami said those words. It meant everything in the world to me. If I can't get through this, then I'll never become the Wizard King.
Fight me. Fight with all you've got. It won't matter because in the end, I will crush everything. You already lost. Right here and now, I'm pushed past my limits.
I can't get caught up with how I used to be. To move forward, you have to rebuild by tearing down what was there before.
If it means winning, I don't mind destroying my own self. I'll be reborn again as many times as it takes. Tell me what has more meaning than your own strength! I will not be distracted from this anymore! I won't! It will take more than head games to stop me! You may have invaded my mind and my body, but there's one thing I say it always keeps! It's pride! I'll never be a hero. I'm just an ordinary guy, and I've reached my damn limits!
Your limit? Who decides what your limit is? Instead of overthinking your setbacks, just focus on moving forward.
eventually said you gave up. Surrender is an outcome far worse than defeat. Wipe that smile off your face. Stopping black, is that your only goal? You think it ends there? Think about the next threat in a year or 5 or 10. Or think about your pride. If sane blood flows in your veins, if you're my son as you claim, then I won't tolerate you losing to anyone. You'll be the best, or you'll be nothing.
Screw justice. And screw evil too. I'm gonna be killed simply because that's what everyone else wants? It's not fair. I can't stand it. It pisses me off. All I want is to make them understand. I'm here to fight for underdogs everywhere. Good, evil. I reject them both.
How could I have forgotten? It's survival of the fittest in this world. This world filled with violence, deception, and betrayal. How could I? That's right. I got numb to it. Careless, overconfident, delusional. Thanks for the reminder. The ego always lose no matter what. That's the way it is.